Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Mashitah binti Ahmad Saad as the first presenter.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am CTU501 binti Ramli and I am from Group 9 in class ED247.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Akila binti Zulkifli with ID number 2022-786647.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hidayah binti Muhammad Saidi.
Hello everyone, my name is Paprai Kilingan.
Cream of tartar, also known as potassium bitartrate, is a white powder. It is a natural product made from the natural crystalline acid deposit on the walls of wine cellar vats. Cream of tartar is a white powder found in the baking aisle that is commonly used to help stabilize whipped egg white in meringue and cakes and give snickerdoodle cookies their signature flavor and texture. So, it is a white acidic powder similar to baking powder used as a food additive, baking ingredient and all-purpose cleaning agent.
Next, I will explain the source of ingredients of cream tartar. Cream of tartar, also known as potassium bitartrate, is a byproduct of the winemaking process. It is derived from tartaric acid, which naturally occurs in grapes. Cream of tartar is commonly used in baking and cooking for various purposes. It is often added to stabilize and give volume to beaten egg whites, preventing them from collapsing. How is actually cream tartar become a critical issue? The question of whether cream of tartar is halal or not arises due to its source and the process involved in its purification. While cream of tartar itself is a natural substance derived from grapes, the concern lies in its purification and processing methods. In the winemaking process, cream of tartar is obtained as a byproduct from the crystallization of tartaric acid, which forms on the inside of wine barrels. Some individuals may question its halal status because it is indirectly associated with the production of wine. In Islamic dietary guidelines, the consumption of alcohol is prohibited. As wine is an alcoholic beverage, any ingredient derived from it is also generally considered haram or forbidden. However, in the case of cream of tartar, the purification process involves multiple stages, including washing, filtration, and drying, which remove impurities and alcohol traces. This process is believed by some scholars to sufficiently remove any haram elements, making cream of tartar permissible or halal for consumption. It's important to note that there may be different between opinions among Islamic scholars regarding the halal status of cream of tartar. Some may consider it halal based on the purification process, while others may have a more cautious approach and advise against its use. To ensure compliance with halal dietary practices, individuals who follow Islamic dietary guidelines may prefer to seek guidance from reliable halal certification authorities or consult with knowledgeable scholars who can provide specific ruling based on their understanding of Islamic principle and interpretation. Ultimately, determination of whether cream of tartar is halal or not may vary depending on individual interpretations and religious authorities' opinion.
Cream of tartar is often used to stabilize egg whites and prevent sugar from crystallizing in recipes. In the next session, we will discuss common food products that contain cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is commonly found in whipped cream, among other foods. In the same way as a meringue, whipped cream tends to fall flat, and cream of tartar can help to prevent that. When whipping cream is added with a pinch of cream of tartar, it will last longer in the refrigerator and at room temperature. Moreover, you will be able to pipe it and spread it more easily. Besides that, snickerdoodle cookies. It is a classic American dessert that is loved by many people. The recipe uses cream of tartar to give the cookies their signature tangy taste and chewy texture. The ingredients in the snickerdoodle cookies are flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla and cream of tartar. Baking soda and cream of tartar react to create carbon dioxide, which causes the cookies to rise and become fluffy. As a result of this chemical reaction, the cookies also have a distinctive crackly appearance. In addition to cream of tartar, there is also the use of cream tartar in meringue. Adding a few drops of cream of tartar can make the difference between a whippy set meringue and a smooth, fluffy one. In order to make a thick meringue that holds its volume, 1 per 8 teaspoons of cream of tartar are added to 1 large egg white. As a final note, let's talk about candies. Cream of tartar can prevent the formation of large sugar crystals in homemade caramels and candies, as it binds to the sugar crystals. For crunchy, pro-level candies, add cream of tartar to boiling sugar.
Cream of tartar, also known as potassium betatrate, is a white crystalline powder with a slightly acidic taste. It is a byproduct of winemaking. Here is an example of the process flow on manufacturing of cream tartar. Harvesting and cleaning. The first step in the process is to harvest grape and extract the juice. The grapes are sorted and washed to remove any dirt and debris. Then the juice is extracted from the grape through a process called pressing. The juice is then poured into a large stainless steel tank where it is left to ferment. During the fermentation process, cream of tartar crystal begins to form on the inside of the wine barrels. This happens because of the presence of tartaric acid in the grapes. Next step, collection. Once the wine is removed, the barrels are scraped to collect the cream of tartar crystal. The collected cream of tartar crystal is then transferred to a processing plant for cleaning and purification. After that cleaning process, the collected cream of tartar crystal are washed and filtered to remove any impurities. The crystals are then dried to remove any remaining moisture. Then purification, which are to purify the cream of tartar crystal. The crystals are dissolved in hot water and any remaining impurities are removed through filtration. The solution is then cooled down and the cream of tartar crystal begin to form again. This process is repeated several times to ensure that the cream of tartar is pure and free of any impurities. Next process, drying and packaging. The purified cream of tartar crystal are then dried and packaged for distribution. The drying process can be done through various methods including air drying or using a vacuum dryer. Once the cream of tartar is completely dry, it is packaged in airtight container to prevent moisture from affecting the quality of the product. The dry cream of tartar is packaged in appropriate containers such as a bag or jar for distribution and sale. The containers are labeled with the name of the product, the manufacturer information, and the expiration date. At last, quality control. Samples from each batch of cream tartar are taken for quality control tests to ensure it meets the required standard for purity and quality. All the process go through to ensure that the cream of tartar is of high quality and purity, making it suitable for use in various applications. Cream of tartar is a versatile ingredient that is used in baking, cooking, and even in some cleaning products. Its unique properties make it a valuable ingredient in many industries.
Cream of tartar, a fine white powder derived from tartaric acid, is a versatile ingredient used in various culinary applications, from stabilizing egg white to preventing crystallization in sugary syrup. Cream of tartar plays a crucial role in achieving desired outcome in many recipes. However, if you find yourself without this kitchen staple, fear not. There are several effective substitutes available that can adequately replace cream of tartar while maintaining the integrity of your culinary creation. Number 1 is lemon juice. Lemon juice makes a good substitute for cream of tartar in baking and when whipping up egg white. For baked good, use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for every 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. For egg white, use half teaspoon of lemon juice for each egg white. Lemon juice is acidic and sour like cream of tartar and should not significantly affect the flavor when used as a substitute for cream of tartar. For those that need to limit potassium in their diet, lemon juice make a good option. Number 2 is vinegar. The acidity in vinegar also make it a good replacement for your cream of tartar. Use 2 teaspoons of vinegar for every 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar when baking. Adding vinegar may not affect the flavor of your goodies, but it adds a little more liquid which may affect the texture. Although cream of tartar holds a unique place in culinary creation, its absence should not impede your culinary endeavor. With suitable substitution readily available such as lemon juice and vinegar, you can confidently navigate your recipe and achieve excellent results. That's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
To store cream of tartar properly and ensure its longevity, follow these steps. The first one, choose an airtight container. Transfer the cream of tartar from its original packaging to an airtight container. Glass jars with tight-fitting lids or plastic containers with airtight seals work well. Make sure the container is clean and dry before use. The second one, label the container. Use a marker or label maker to write the name and data of storage on the container. This will help to identify it easily and keep track of its freshness. The next one is to store it in a cool, dark place. Cream of tartar should be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, moisture, and heat. Ideally, keep it in a pantry or cupboard away from the stove or any heat sources. Fluctuating temperatures can affect the quality of the cream of tartar. The fourth one, avoid exposure to moisture. Moisture can cause cream of tartar to clump or lose its effectiveness. Ensure the container is tightly sealed to prevent any moisture from entering. If the climate is particularly humid, make sure to add a small silica gel packet to absorb any moisture. The last one is to check for freshness. Over time, cream of tartar can lose its potency. It is a good practice to check the freshness periodically. If it appears discolored, has strange odor or gone clumped together, it may have gone bad. In such cases, it is best to replace it with a fresh batch. By following these steps, cream of tartar can be properly kept and stay fresh for an extended period, allowing us to use it in our baking and cooking endeavors. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.